Hi, this is Keith Lorigan. I'm with Certified Home Loans. Today, I want to talk to you about where you can go to get a mortgage. If you haven't ever gotten a mortgage, or even if you've had a mortgage and it's been a while, this is a good overview so you have a good understanding of where to go and what to expect. So the first place you can go to get a mortgage is a bank, like a big box bank, like a Wells Fargo, a Chase, a Bank of America. All good banks. I bank with a couple of them, and you can go there to get a mortgage. They do a lot of mortgages. They have limited products and tighter restrictions, but it is an option. The second place you can go is to what we call direct lenders. A direct lender is a non-bank lender that just does mortgages. You don't go there to deposit your funds or money. You don't open a checking account. They just strictly do mortgages. And they typically will close in their own name with their own funds, their own capital, and then they'll typically sell off the mortgage to a servicing company. That's a pretty common process, and that's a good option as well. And the third option is a mortgage brokerage. So that's the space I'm in. I like being a mortgage broker because typically we have the best rates. We have over 20 lenders to shop your loan to. So we're going to find the best products and services that meet your needs, whether they're short-term or long-term. So you've got those three areas. Now, we got to keep in mind that in a seller's market, you want to be able to make sure that your lender can close the loan and deal on time, because this is really important. You're in a contract situation. And in a seller's market, if you don't close on the scheduled close date, they don't have to extend the closing. They could cancel the contract and put it back on the market, maybe get more money. So when choosing somebody to do your mortgage, obviously you want a good rate. You want to have a fair rate. You want somebody that's going to communicate with you, and hopefully it's available in the evenings and on weekends, because that's when a lot of real estate showings take place. Some questions come up. You're working during the day. So that's one of the things that I like about being a mortgage broker, is that I can provide a service that I know the big box banks can't. When it comes to the big box banks and us, we absolutely crush them in terms of rates and service and closing on time and just being accountable. And let me just say this. Okay, yeah, okay. I got a college degree, right? That's Cal State Fullerton, by the way, Titans. The reason I'm showing you that diploma isn't because I'm any smarter than you or anybody else. It's because to get a diploma, you got to grind to the finish line. Every loan is tough. There's a lot of moving parts. I have to quarterback 20 different entities, departments within the lenders we broker to, the title company, maybe the attorney, the insurance company. There's a lot of moving factors. And so you need a quarterback they'll get all that done and get it closed on time and give you a good deal. So I know that we can deliver that. I have a lot of happy, not only borrowers, but most of my business comes from realtors. And so a realtor recommends us because they know we can close it on time. That's really important because of the marketplace that we're in. They can't hold a big box bank accountable because they're disjointed. There's no incentive. There's no accountability. The underwriting might be over there and the processing is in this state. It's like herding cats. So realtors know that I can close the loan and their clients are happy, which makes them look good. That's why I get a lot of referrals. So consider me if you're a realtor or if you know a buyer. We want to get you either pre-qualified or pre-approved. And we'll talk about the difference on those on our next video. Thanks for tuning in.